Hello, welcome back to another video. I am going to be unboxing and reviewing and telling you if it's really worth it. This guy right here. This is the Kiehls Advent Calendar for 2021. I have it right here for you guys. Kiehls comes out with an Advent Calendar every single year that I remember. I think I've been unboxing them for a couple years now. And we're gonna unbox 2021's Advent Calendar. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. If you do not want to see everything that's inside and you want to just see if I think it's worth it or not, skip to the end. I am also going to be unboxing all of the Advent Calendars that I have for 2021 on Instagram and TikTok Live every single day in December. So make sure to follow me there to check all of that out. Let's get into the unboxing. Don't mind my backdrop. We're kind of still in like a fall kind of theme. I have all my Christmas stuff downstairs. I have to order my wall over here of Christmas stuff. It's happening. It's happening a little bit at a time, okay? So here is the Advent Calendar. As always, I think Kiehls has been doing this like box method for at least, they did it last year. I know that. But here are all of the numbers. So there are 24. We're just gonna like jump to it and open this up. So number 1 is right over here. Okay, day number 1. We have the Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This has definitely been in past Advent Calendar unboxings for sure. Day number 2, we have the Hydro Plumping Serum Concentrate. I'm not sure if I've actually ever seen this in an Advent Calendar before, and I definitely have not tried this for myself. And I also want to mention what I really do like about the Advent Calendar from Kiehls is they put a little direction on the back of how to apply and how to use the product. So it lists the name of the product and then how to use it. Number 3 is right over here. We've definitely got this one in an Advent Calendar before. This is the Super Multi Corrective Cream. Surprisingly, I've actually never tried this product before. So maybe this year I'll finally get to try it after December 3rd. Number 4, woo! This is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I have actually tried this, and not only have I tried this, I've tried this recently, and I do really like it. It has 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is strong. I packed this to go to my friend's engagement weekend. We had a whole celebration, and I'm pretty sure I packed this in there, and I really like it. So I'm excited to have another one in here to use after December 4th. Number 5 is right over here. We have the Ultra Facial Toner from Kiehls, and they're all packaged like this. I was gonna smell it, but they're actually all packaged appropriately for your safety. So we're just gonna throw this guy back. I don't think I've seen this in previous Advent Calendars, so I'm excited to try this one. I have seen other toners, but I don't think this one. Getting it too easy for me. Number 6 is right here under number 5. We have the Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream for normal to oily skin. Another one that I have not tried, and I don't believe I have seen in any of the Advent Calendars, which if they have been in some of the Advent Calendars, keep in mind there's been 24 products in almost all of the Advent Calendars. There's only so much I can remember. Number 7 is right up here. We have the Kiehls Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Serum in here. I actually have a couple of these minis, and I have tried it before. I can't say that I've seen a huge difference in this dark spot corrector, but I also don't think that I've used it for long enough to really see if there has been a difference. Of course, with all of the other skincare that I use to try to fix some of the acne scarring that I have, but you can't see because I'm great at covering it up. It's there. But I definitely really like to have products like these because they are just great products for me. Number 8 is right over here, this little boy with a snow globe as a hat. We have the Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum with Tripeptide and Hyaluronic Acid. another new one that I don't believe I've tried before. Day number 9. Ooh, definitely have tried this one. It is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Cleansing, right? Cleansing mask. Really good mask from Kiehls. We've got day number 10 with the half-eaten gingerbread. Ooh, we have the Candula Serum Infused Water Cream. I kind of want to smell this one really quick. Smells like Candula. Smells like tea, actually. Number 11 is right up here. The Ultra Facial Cleanser. I love classic cleansers like these. They're just like really simple. It's kind of like, this one reminds me of the Fresh face cleanser as well. It's just like a simple face cleanser, and I think that's really all you need as a facial cleanser. Of course, I have the crazy amount of steps, which is an oil cleanser, then a regular cleanser like this one, and then a scrub or an exfoliator. So I'm a little bougie in that sense, but nevertheless, I like this. Ooh, number 12 is this big one over here. Interesting. And I accidentally just read the back, so I know what's inside. And I have definitely got this before in previous advent calendars, but this one actually looks a little different. It looks like they changed the name and possibly extracted all the alcohol to make it alcohol free, or they just changed the name to kind of make it sound a lot better than just Candula toner. Number 13. So we have our first product for men in here. It's the Facial Fuel Energizing Moisture Treatment for men. We've got number 14 right up here with our little purple green goddess. Can you just like look at this for me? she's purple with green fingernails. We have the Creme de Corps, which, if I'm being honest, I want to read the back because I think that this is a body lotion. Yes, apply after bath or shower or any time as often as necessary. It's a non-greasy formula. It's thick but non-greasy formula. 10 more days to go. Let's open day number 15. Just found it right over here. We have a Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. A little mini in here. 16 is this cute little purple one with a random donut at the end. We have the Candula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. Number 17. They call this Lip Balm number 1, and they literally call it Lip Balm number 1. I have a ton of these from Kiehls. It's a pretty good lip balm. It's just your very basic lip balm with vitamin E in it. It's a great lip balm. Day number 18. Day number 18, we have the Kiehls Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. Let me tell you something. I have a massive limited edition hand salve right next to my bed. I don't know how old it is, but it has been sitting in my bedside table for at least 2 to 3 years at this point, and I use it whenever my hands get dry. I will not take, like, there always has to be a lotion there, and the Kiehls one has just been lasting me so long because the bottle for your hands is like as big as a bottle that you would use for like your body in like a few weeks. So I just use a little bit on my hands if my hands are ever dry when going to sleep. And it's the hand salve, but it's just a limited edition. And yeah, it's still there. I still use it like whenever I need to, but she's there. She's there. Day number 19, we have the Candula Petal Infused Calming Mask. Definitely have seen this, and I believe I've tried this one before and I do like it. We're on to number 20. Number 20 is this big one all the way on the side with some peeps dancing over here with a hot dog in one of their hands. We have the Amino Acid Shampoo with pure coconut oil. I will tell you this. I've gotten a lot of these from the advent calendars and I really, really love them. The amino acid shampoo and conditioners are like always the ones that I bring with me to travel. I've never actually had a full size of them and had them like to regularly use, but when I use this when I'm on vacation or when I'm just traveling a little bit, these are amazing. And they're 2.2 ounces, so they are really like, I just feel like this is such a perfect size for a short vacation. This is great. So try this. I like it a lot. We are on day number 21 and I bet you we can guess what this one is going to be just by the size of it. It is, in fact, the matching conditioner to the shampoo. It's the amino acid conditioner. And just like the shampoo, I really like the conditioner as well. Number 22 is down here with the cute yellow taxi. We have the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Micro Dose Serum. I actually don't think I've tried this one before, so this will be a new one for me. Almost to the end, you guys. Almost to the end. 23. Oh, he looks kind of full size. It's a Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I don't think this is their full size, but this is a pretty good size. This is almost like an ounce. And finally, you guys, we're on day number 24. Here it is right here. It's massive. Oh my God. Look at that. They gave us a pretty decent size of the Midnight Recovery Concentrate, which is a replenishing like elixir oil. And it's actually, I don't know if this is the full size, but this is pretty good. I don't know if I've ever seen any products like these last two this big in a Kiehls advent calendar. Usually there's like a little pin thrown in the advent calendar, but I feel like this is really awesome. And back in you go. We gotta store you. I mean, I'm gonna assume that it's probably the last one. It's got a Christmas tree on it. I don't know. We're gonna put you all back together so we can open you one day at a time with you guys live on Instagram and TikTok every single day in December. Do not miss it. Okay, so after going through all of that, the Kiehls Advent Calendar for 2021, I'm looking it up right now. Oh, the facial oil. Oh, they're doing 30% off right now for Black Friday online and in store. Plus you receive a 3-piece gift bag. The Midnight Recovery Concentrate Facial Oil is $52. So that is a great product to kind of throw in this advent calendar. It says that it's out of stock, but they actually, which is so surprising, wow, they sell this advent calendar for $99 for all of this. I think that is a really great price. There are a bunch of minis in here, but as I've said for other advent calendars in the past and advent calendars in general, if you are a lover of the brand, usually the advent calendar is going to be so worth it for you. I always recommend if you're buying it for something specific that they have in it, check and see what products are full size in the actual advent calendar, because those can be beneficial. So if you like the Ultra Facial Cream and the Midnight Recovery Oil, then this is going to be so beneficial for you, because you're basically going to get them almost for the same price, but plus all of these minis in here, so you can try a ton of other things from Kiehls. And if you like Kiehls, you'll have them for travel. All right, you guys, that's it for my Kiehls advent calendar. I'm gonna tie this baby right back up so we can unbox it together live starting December 1st, 2021. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you pick up the Kiehls advent calendar and if you are going to unbox it with me on Instagram and or TikTok live this upcoming December. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video.